customer states my Tesla suspension is making this weird tinging noise. Well, it turns out it wasn't the suspension at all. In fact, it was the tire. What's in there?
We'll find out. Looks like the guy had his TBMS break off inside his wheel. We'll see what it takes to put it back on or have to get him a new one.
Is it an aftermarket or a factory sensor? Do we know?
That is a Tesla factory sensor right there.
Wonder if the tires were replaced recently?
Let's check it out. 2022, so probably not. Probably a couple years ago.
Yeah, it looks like maybe the screw is missing out of the bottom of it. Was there a screw in the wheel?
No, there's some damage there from something at some point.
And the tire light was not on, right?
No, tire light was not on.
An interesting note about Tesla tires, they have a foam on the inside of them. What that's supposed to do is absorb the noise of the road because Tesla doesn't have an engine. I don't know where the screw went. I'm trying to feel around the foam. I don't feel it. We went all the way around the tire, so I'm not sure where that screw went.